Hi, welcome to Imperium Learning. This is the 7th and final exercise in a 7-exercise Excel course. In this video now, I'd just like to talk about the prerequisites that you'll need in order to get the most out of this exercise. After that, I just want to talk about the task that you'll be doing. And then finally, I'd like to round off by outlining the Excel skills that you'll have learned after having completed this exercise. So just to begin with the prerequisites then, the first thing that you're going to need is a Windows computer. The second thing that you're going to need is a fairly recent version of Microsoft Excel, and certainly no earlier than Microsoft Excel 2010. The last prerequisite that you'll need is, and bear in mind this is optional, is to complete the first 6 exercises of this Excel course. And so just moving on to the task then. The task is actually going to consist of 3 activities, and all 3 activities share a common theme. And the common theme is that each of these activities are going to make you imagine that you're working for a wholesaler of books and stationery. And so the first activity in this exercise is going to involve extracting insights on units sold and revenue. The second activity is going to involve solving business problems in order to reach targets. And the third activity is going to involve doing something which is known as sensitivity analysis. And so, just moving on to the Excel skills that you'll have learned after having completed this exercise, the first skill that you're going to come across is simply a refresher from exercise 3, which is how to combine the VLOOKUP function with the match function. The second skill that you'll come across is the basic use of the sum product formula. After that, I'm going to show you some more advanced uses of the sum product function, and those in particular are very useful for finding information about subsets within a dataset. After that, I'm going to introduce you to something called goal-seek. After that, I'm going to show you how to use something in Excel called solver. After that, I'm going to show you how to use 1 and 2 variable data tables, and those in particular are going to be very important for doing sensitivity analysis. And finally, I'm going to show you how to add comments to cells. And so, last but not least, in order to get the most out of this exercise, you're going to want to download an Excel file which I've prepared for you, because in order to get the best learning experience, you're going to want to repeat the steps yourself that I'm demonstrating in my video series. So I'm pleased to say that this video on setting out the 7th exercise is now concluded. In the next video, I'm going to show you once again how to combine the VLOOKUP function with the match function. So, see you there.